All right, so the recording is on. So basically, we are getting started with the first technique for the day, which is called the super trend technique. And this is an unconventional way of reading super trend for small risk, big profits. Okay, all of you show this small risk, Nandu. Yeah, small risk, big profit, small risk, big profit, small risk, big profit. So you should always have this. Your risk should be smaller, profit should be bigger. Okay, your risk should be smaller, but the profit should be bigger. So I'm going to be demonstrating to you how can you do that using this unconventional way of super trend technique. Okay, so I hope all of you have noted down the steps. First one is the candlestick chart pattern. Timing doesn't matter. Second one is the super trend. Third one is the super trend settings are 5 and 1.5. Okay, are we all good so far? Show me your hands one more time like this. Okay, thank you. So now is where the magic is. The conventional way of reading the super trend is whenever the trend changes, this can also be one of the strategy for many of you, is when the trend changes, right? And this trend changes on the closing basis. Make a note of this. There is something called closing basis. There is something called as is basis. This is my own word. Closing basis and as is basis. Closing basis. So super trend works on closing basis. What do you mean by closing basis? So if the trend has to change, okay, if the trend has to change from up to down or down to up, what has to happen is this particular line, this is some kind of a resistance. If it is in the downtrend, if this breaks and if it closes above this line, only then this will change from red to green. So quick another crash course on closing basis and the as is basis is, see for example yesterday what happened in SBI was there was a false breakout in the 1 hour. How many of you observed? Show me your hands one more time if you have observed that. If you have not observed already, it's absolutely okay. So that's your step by step learning. Yesterday in SBI there was a false breakout on 1 hour. In fact, there are strategies on false breakout itself. This is one of the false breakout that I'm going to be teaching you today. False breakout is basically when you saw, let me demonstrate the SBI yesterday's false breakout, how the losses look like. Okay, or uh, how the so this is the power, right? When I am live, I can demonstrate to you the real example with losses, with profits, with losses, with profits. Okay, with losses, with profits. That's the power. So here this was SBI, not SBI, this is Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty also there was a false breakout. Okay, where are you? 1 hour, somehow it's not showing the false breakout. Interesting. Okay, looks like there is some the charting error. I don't know what the error is, but so how does the false breakout look like? Let me show it to you on Bank Nifty. That's where I have a clean. Okay, can you all see this first 1 hour? This is the first 1 hour. Okay, this is the first 1 hour, and the our entry and exit on the high side was this. Our low side was this. Okay, what happened here was this candle first gave us a sell signal. It asked us to sell first. If you are looking at the 1 hour breakout, although we are not doing 1 hour breakout on Bank Nifty, but I'm just telling you an example that it first breakout on the downside. What was the low of 1 hour? 34,365. This went up to 34,350. So this line that I'm showing you, which is the previous low, is 34,365. But the next day it went down up to 34,350, but it did not sustain there. It did not stay there for some time. It did not continue this downtrend. It started going up. These are called false breakouts. These are called false breakouts. Let me show you the same thing in 5 minutes. Okay, and this is also a tip for you to improvise your one hour strategy. Many of you wanted to improve that 1 hour strategy, right? So what happened? This is your 1 hour zone. Okay, there is also something called box trading. Nicholas Darwas, How I Made $2 Million. He was a dancer. Okay, that's another book recommendation for all of you. Nicholas Darwas, he was a dancer and he used to tour all the countries. He used to ask his broker out there, and then based on just the box technique, he used to make a lot of profits. So this is also one kind of a box. How does this box look like? Let me show you that. Okay, the box here will start from the first 1 hour. Sorry. Okay, 1 second. Let me show it to you. Are we on a rocket speed today when it comes to learning? Are we on a rocket speed? But why is this not coming? Yes. Okay. So the first 1 hour, I have drawn a box. Okay. If the price crosses this box on the opposite side, I'm going to be buying. If the price crosses the downside, I'm going to be selling. So in this case, what happened? It crossed the below, and then that is when I got a false sell signal. How can you avoid one of the question that I've been getting is how can I avoid false signals? Is to look at it on a closing basis, either on the 5 minutes or on the 10 minutes. In this case, if you look at it on the 5 minutes, even the 5 minutes candle has not closed below the previous low, because of if you had waited. Okay, there are always risks and rewards to both anything that you look at. So if you had waited for another 5 minutes for the candle to close and then initiate the trade, then you wouldn't have taken this loss. You wouldn't have taken this loss. Okay, how many of you got at least 1% of this type? Just show me your hands one more time. Just show me your hands. Okay, we'll go back to the bank nifty technique. Okay, this box and 1 hour and the closing basis and the false breakout, and how yesterday happened. By the way, yesterday was again a good day for me. Let me show you. I've been getting many comments from your own side saying you all made good profits also yesterday. Okay, cool. So are we good so far? Let me take some comments and check if you guys are still with me. Are we good so far? Type good in the comment box now. Are we good so far? The comment section is open. Type good in the comment box. Yeah, thank you. All right. So today I won't be taking any questions in between. Hold on to your questions till the end of the session. I'll be hold on till the entire session, and then I'll be taking all your questions further. Hold on, and then I'll be telling you everything towards the end. Just keep taking notes, keep taking notes, and don't put any questions, because what will happen is you will not learn the techniques. So keep taking notes. Towards the end, I will be with you here till only today till all your questions are over. Is that a deal? Type deal in the comment box. Type deal in the comment box. Type deal. Okay. All right. So since understand the challenge that I have to address both beginners as well as experienced. Okay. So because of which, what I will do is I'll go through the techniques, and at end I will be here. Aram will have a quick fireside chat. That's what we call it as fireside chat. You ignite the fire, and then you Aram se talk. And especially most of the best techniques come when you are on a friendly chat. Okay, we will do that today. Super. So that also means that you don't put any comments unless until I ask you to. Okay, cool. Thank you. That's amazing. Now let's come back to the technique that we are looking at. We looked at this technique. What technique? We looked at candlestick, which is the OHLC, which will have the OHLC, which will have the colors and all other stuff. Then we said we will plot the super trend. We also looked at what are the parameters. If you don't know what the parameters is, that's your homework for today. Okay, because if you don't have this thing right, you'll have to find out your own. How can you find a free charting, free charts? Okay, you need to find out how to draw this super trend. Okay, go ahead and search for that search bar and type super trend and get the super trend. Third task for you is to change the settings that they have from what they have to 5 and 1.5. Okay, then the third one is you need to look for a false breakout. You need to look for a false breakout. Okay, and also false breakout meaning another rule that we will be using in this is we will only buy if the trend only if the trend is green, and sell only if when I say sell, I mean short. Sell first. Trend is red. Okay, trend is red. So what is the meaning of false breakout is where I want all of your 100% undivided attention, and this is the time that I want you to, if you are sleeping and watching this, I know some of you, I can see some of you through my camera, even though your video is off. I want all of you to sit straight and listen to this false breakout, okay? Because what I am also observing is you are not able to catch what I'm teaching and asking the same question. So I want you to sit straight. Even then, if you don't understand, we have a 5-side chat today in which case. Okay, now let's learn the false breakout when it comes to super trend. Now what is happening here is the trend started from here in TCS on 5 and 1.5. Okay, if you go to studies, you will see this super trend as 5 and 1.5. The trend started here, the uptrend. Once the trend starts here, are we ready to buy or are we ready to sell? We are ready to buy now. We are not selling when the trend is up. Okay, is that also a good, because the trend is up, when you don't have to sell and be on the wrong direction. Now when you are ready to buy, but we are looking at an unconventional technique, not the conventional. In the conventional way, you buy here, okay, but we are looking at an unconventional technique. What is it unconventional? We will look for one candle which is unconventional, which is a different one, which is hatke se. Okay, what is that one candle? There is a difference between this candle. Forget the color does not matter. Okay, so there is no racism here. On lighter note, color does not matter, but whether this candle is touching this green line or not touching this green line, only that much matters. Now I'll ask you some questions and all of you can answer me in the comments. Okay, so is this red candle touching the green line? Yes or no? Is this red candle touching the green line? Yes or no? Is this red candle touching the green line? Yes or no? Is this red candle touching the green line? Yes or no? The third one, which is this one. Yes, right? So this is touching the green line. As soon as you find this candle, you need to alert yourself. Okay, you need to alert yourself and tell yourself that the time has now come to execute your trades. Let's look at you just have to identify these setups. This is the setup that I'm talking about. These are called, I don't know, what do you call this as? What do we call this as? Let's do the nomenclature together for these kind of candles. What do we call these candles as? Hemant, इसको एक नाम देंगे ना? Give me a name for these kind of candles. I'm asking you for a question. I'm asking you for a recommendation. Give me a name. False breakout candle. Give me a smaller name. Breakout candle. Okay. Breakout candle can be a this thing. Guys, put your fuzzy. Okay. Trap candle. Chupa Rostum. Setup candle. Setup candle. We will go with setup candle. No, we'll go with setup. Alert candle. I like the alert candle. We will go with alert candle. Okay. We'll go with alert candle. Super. Any alert is fixed. Thank you. Who's that alert guy? Rajesh A. Rohira, you have won 255 rupees. Message, please message me after this. I don't have any pen and paper to make a note of this. Rajesh Ahura. Because you have been selected, you will get 255 rupees. So tomorrow there are so many prizes. Please be there. I'll also be making you do one fun mathematical exercises, and so that you understand how without your notice you are making mistakes in calculation and other stuff. That's coming tomorrow. Okay. So alert candle. Can you all tell me which are the alert candle? Is this an alert candle? Yes or no? Is this an alert candle? Okay. Give me a minute. Is this we'll only look at the alert candle today. No, otherwise you might get confused completely. Is this an alert candle? Right. Yes, this is an alert candle. As soon as long as it is touching, that's an alert candle for us. That's an alert candle. And now once we get the alert candle, no, alert candle, we'll call it as alert. Fixed. It is fixed. Okay. Now what we are going to be doing, Kumarvel, is once we find the alert candle, we will become alert. Okay, that's why it's called alert candle by my good friend Rajesh. Once we find we will get alerted, and what we will do is as simple as what we learned. We've been learning and getting our foundation very strong. We'll buy on the high of the candle and keeping low as a stop loss. We will buy on the high of the candle, keeping low as a stop loss. How many of you can tell me if I keep on trailing the stop loss after I did this from here to here to here, I exit at 2407. Is this a profitable trade or is this a loss making trade? Type profits if you think it was a profitable trade. We bought on the high of this, keeping low as a stop loss, and then we kept on trailing our stop loss for 1 or 2 lots, and then we exited here. Is this a good risk reward ratio? Was the entry practical? Was the entry the clearly defined? Was the exit clearly defined? Type yes, 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 yes. The more yeses you type, you won't win any prizes on a lighter note. Okay, so let me show you some more examples. So what's the logic behind this? Okay, because we are a logically thinking human beings. Although we want to calm our emotions, this is where the magic happens. Okay, so basically I am more of an intelligent thinker. Okay, that's my strength. My and this was not I was not great from here. Okay, if you can see this, but I started working on this. I started working on all the techniques that I learned from gurus and mentors and friends, and I started working on my emotions. Mind though I already had. Okay, I was good with mind and all that stuff. So that's the technique for you. I want you all of you to be best at the heart, and mind and logic will automatically building on. Let me show you one more example. Okay, and I will open it up for a couple of other things. Okay, is this the alert candle? Do we have the alert candle here? We buy here, we sell here, and one of the exit strategy, we will keep it till trailing, and we exited here. After we exit here, we again buy here. Why? Because there was a alert candle again. Again we exit here, we made a small loss, which is absolutely okay. Okay, and then again you buy here, and then when you buy here, and then you exit at this point. Okay, you exit at this point. Is this a cool technique? Type cool in the comment box. Type cool in the comment box. Okay, type cool. All your questions towards the end, only to the point. Okay, you're not getting it, otherwise you won't get it, Dilip. Just be here. Yeah, this is a positional, this is one day. Just be in the present. Okay, can somebody help Sahil? How did we exit here? How did we exit these trades? Can somebody help Sahil, the young charmer? Okay, what was the exit point? Did we trail the stop loss? Hold on, Sanjeev. I'll come to all your questions. But if you ask me any questions in between which is not being taught now, then you won't learn what I'm teaching. That's the reason, Sanjeev. Okay, hold on. When even the super trend line touched by price, that's right. Okay, can you all tell me how did we exit here? I'm asking you a question and I want you to answer. How did we exit here? Did we trail our stop loss on the super trend line? Yes or no? I'm asking you a question, Ramesh. Yes, that's a good answer. Next alert candle, or the actual answer is, Mahesh, we trail our exit on the super trend line. When the wick touched, when the price touches the trend line, that's right. Okay, that is one of the most important exit. Okay, Badal, it's not even a trend change. Exit is not at the trend change. Let me show it to you. Anybody wants me to do this on your own stock? Tell me your stock name. And see, understand the concept behind this. How many of you are getting the concept behind this, which is small loss, big profit concept? Are you all getting this? Okay, are you really getting this? The concept here is, and but again, did you all, are you all reading the trading creed? And I know you are not reading. Can you all commit to yourself by spending 2 minutes? Because that is where you will see this, that I am ready to accept the risk. And here we are talking about a smaller risk. Now I'll show you one more example in this itself. Okay, so here we bought on the high, the low is the stop loss. Okay, so you can also have a partial exits. One of the exit that we learned, which is awesome exit, is keep on trailing your stop loss to this super trend line. And where do you get this line? Currently, what I'm showing you is on Zerodha, but you can also find it on Money Control, investing.com, and there are so many other sites that you can actually find these lines. So you can keep on trailing your stop loss. That is one exit. It's called a trend following exit. It's called a trailing exit. It's called a trailing stop loss. Okay, it's called a trailing stop loss. Now, other exits, which is our typical that we have been learning in the last 3 days, are your 1:1, 1:2 exits. Okay, 1:1, 1:2. What do you mean by 1:2? There is this, so let's say assume you have taken 10 points stop loss here. If you get 10 points profit, which in this case we got it, you exit your one lot. If you get another 10 points, you exit your second lot, if in case if you are doing third lot. But you should always have some of your stocks allocated to trailing your stop loss. Trailing your stop loss. Was this awesome? Was this amazing? How many of you want me to give you more? Okay, the reason is this. When I've been going through many trainings on various other fields, not only on stock market. And one of the mega training that I've gone through is something called psycho spiritual hypno healing, but I'm not doing anything of that sort, which helped me become a better version of myself. I paid about 80,000 rupees in about 5 years back. Now, in retrospect, when I practice and when I execute, it has definitely given me more than 8-9 lakhs. Okay. So what I will do is I will give you a scanner for this also. Type woohoo in the comment box if you are okay to receive more. Type woohoo. Type woohoo in the comment box if you are ready to take more from me. And let me show you. Okay, awesome. Thank you. Let me put this on the no chart mode for a moment, and I'll give you that. Okay, I'll give you this thing. So you have been asking me a couple of things. Does this work on intraday? It does, but also look at it. Definitely works on all time frames. It has no time frame limit, stock limit. Okay, it works on all the time frames. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. I think you might have given me any Naukri. Naukri.com is where I used to work, by the way. Somebody has asked me to do it on Naukri.com. Okay, cool. So let me do it on daily and show you. Okay, here is one more time I'm showing you. This is the last time I'll be demonstrating how to set this super trend settings up. Okay, go to studies, search for super trend, click on super trend, and come back to these lines. Click on the right side of your mouse, click on edit settings, come to this, click on 5, click on 1.5, and then click on done. Okay, if you click on done, and let's look at one of the quick trade here. Is this an alert candle? Is this an alert candle? Yes or no, people on the video now? That's the Sebi, are you understanding this? Is this an alert candle? Yes or no, Sebi? Okay, Manohar? No, your comments are not coming. You will have to show me on the video. Yeah, thank you. Manvinder, thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. So this is our alert candle. What we will do, we were supposed to buy on the high of this. Okay, we were supposed to buy on the high of this. Alert candle kya hota hai? I'll explain one more time for all the people who are wondering. Okay, so if the candle just touches this super trend but doesn't close below, forget the closing and all that stuff, you need to have this kind of setup. The difference between this candle, okay, and this candle, I'll show you that. I'll also tell you the picture. Don't worry. In the WhatsApp group, I'll send you an alert candle picture and a non-alert candle picture. It becomes very easy for you. Okay. Now what I'm showing you is we are supposed to be buying on the high of this candle and keeping low as a stop loss. But our high did not get triggered next candle, but rather we got one more alert candle. So this previous alert candle becomes null and void now. Why? Because we got one more candle, we got alert much more, some more We got double alert because we got one more alert candle. Now, if I buy at 3596 and keep the stop loss at 3449 and keep on trailing, every day you just have to keep seeing this, and I exit at 4409. And can somebody calculate the percentage returns for this? Let me open the chat and give you these numbers. Hold on to your questions. I'm not taking any questions. Hold on to your questions. Okay, entry is, what is the entry? 3596. All of you do the percentage ROI calculation. Entry is, sorry, 3596. Write this down. Again, does this work on all every time? Definitely no. Okay, that's where the magic of being here and learning lies. Entry is 3596. Stop loss is, stop loss was 3480. Your profits exit equal to 4409. What is the percentage that we got from this trade? And what is the risk reward ratio? What was the risk? If risk was 1 rupee, how much was the profit, exited profit? Chandan. Okay, also give me the risk reward ratio for this trade. Chandan. Also give me the risk reward ratio for this. I'm waiting for your answers, okay? No, give me the exact 3596, 34,512, 3600, 3500, around 100 points. And 100 points was the risk. Then we got 3600, 100 to 400 plus 400, 800. 1:8. Is it around 1:8, Prashant? Yeah, Prashant got it. Prashant, you win another 255 rupees. So Prashant and the other person, please reach out to me immediately after this. I'll be giving you, it is 1:8. Am I right? Okay, it is 1:8. What do you mean by 1:8? Is if your risk was 10 rupee, if you get 80 rupees, that's when it is called a 1:8. Priyanka, did you get it? All of you, did you get it? Vanita, whoever is here. Okay, super. Thank you. Now let me close this again. Okay, thank you everybody. Are you all seeing the power of what can happen with a little insights, not just the knowledge? Okay, this is where the difference can be. Although the techniques are very simple, but additional insights that I give you in terms of either the settings or how do you think when you are entering, does this work always, all of those. So that's what I keep telling. Some of the things can be taught, some of the things that you need to catch. Okay, and how many of you are seeing the power? Can you all show me your this thing like this? With little help from me, you can take your learning to a very large scale. Manohar, okay, thank you. I really love all the people who have who are experienced and who are here and who have that learning, because as I'm teaching you, I also keep my book and pen ready and I keep learning. Without, if I am not a learner myself, I am not a good teacher. Okay, I'm not a good digital teacher. Let's call it a digital teacher. All right. So also now just a quick story on my personal stuff. Now when I look at introspect from the family background that I come from, both my parents are teachers. Both are mathematics teachers. Okay. And now after learning, being in Naukri.com, learned a little bit on the business, and now I'm able to. And I also, my personal story is where I really had a tough time cracking my code to my financial freedom. So with this, we are moving on to the next one, and a couple of your questions I'll answer even if before you ask. Does this work on all time frame? Yes, it does. Does this work on intraday? Does this work on positional? All of that stuff. Okay, for intra, I will give you the charting scanner later, not now. So once you do that scanner, you will find all the stocks that are having this kind of a pattern. Okay, once you click on hit scanner, you will find all the patterns like with this kind of a pattern. So with this, now let's move on to the main topic for today. Okay, let's move on to the main topic for today. And this is called the AV technique. Okay, it's called the AV technique. And reserve all your questions till I complete this technique completely. And then I'll come to your, in our fireside chat today, we will be discussing all your questions. Okay, so now let's learn the triangles. Okay, if you are, because typically what will happen is in our education system, because I also come from a corporate background and I understand the nuances, nitty-gritties of working in a company and how much we are being taught on the required skills and all of that stuff. So typically what we are told is you learn for 22 years or 30 years or whatever. After that, you never learn. You don't learn. That's the system that we are into. I'm not commenting on that, but I think it has to be it has to be a continuous learning. You should be a lifelong learner. Okay. More than that, you also need to be in the execution and then learn. Okay. Just an analogy is after engineering, if you directly join MBA, that learning versus after engineering, if you go to work and then join MBA, there is a difference because you already know the challenges that are there in the company. How many of you are with me? Show me your hand one more time. So that is where the learning, learning, watching, then again upgrading your skills can be a key game changer. And what did I tell you on the first day? The biggest multi-bagger is not Naukri.com. Is the people who are working at Naukri.com if they can invest on themselves. The reason I'm saying this is because I've seen Sanjeev Bikhchandani. Any guesses who the Sanjeev Bikhchandani is? Anybody in the room today know Sanjeev Bikhchandani? I'm opening the chat. Who is Sanjeev Bikhchandani? I'm waiting for your answers in the comment box. He started Naukri? Yeah. Okay, got it. So I worked with him very closely uh, from IIM, InfoEdge. Super, thank you. That's right. Okay, now, so he invested on himself. He implemented ideas. He worked with team, and now he is the founder of Naukri.com. But he is the godfather of internet, Srishal. He is the godfather of internet in India. I was with him when he was just getting started. Okay, cool. So now let's come back to the AV technique. AV technique is very simple. Again, the AV technique name came from people like you itself. Before I get into the AV technique, can you all see these triangles here? Okay, is this one of the triangle? Yes or no? This is one triangle like this. Triangle in this like this. Okay, let's call it as A, Kumar. And can we call this as V, the V-shaped formation here? Okay, how many of you remember budget or the prior to budget and after budget, people saying V-shaped recovery in finance, V-shaped recovery? Anybody? Yes or no? Comments are open by the way now. You can comment. Okay, thank you, Puneet. So this is V shape, this is A shape. Okay. How do you select this? Is go to display. If it is on, if you are on Zerodha, you can click on line and you can create this. You can create this. This is called a line chart, Lakshman. Okay. Now come back to this AV technique. Okay, AV is super powerful because the same technique is taught in other places for close to 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs. Okay, there are so many other technique nomenclature to this. Forget the nomenclature, learn the technique in itself. Okay, so this is A and this is V. Super clear, right? AV is super clear. Everybody type A and V. AV in the comment box. All of you quickly type AV in the comment box if the AV is super duper clear. Madhu, thank you. Now here is where the next interesting thing lies. In the next 10 minutes, it is 6:37 now. Before we hit 6:47, all of you will become the best analyst, better than the people who come on TV. And if I ask you a question, Uma Devi, where I ask you, I come and tell you that, Uma ma'am, I have Naukri shares. Should I exit the stock? Should I hold on to the stock? Or should I buy more? And you will be able to answer that to me. And most of the time, the answer will be perfect. Will that be amazing? Type A in the comment box if that can come to you. If I can transfer that small skill, big impact skill to all of you in the next 10 minutes. Okay, super. Let's get started immediately. So you need to see where the current price is. If the current price is above the previous A, if the current price is above the previous A, okay, this is A, right? This is the height of the A. And if the current price is above the price of the A, we will hold on to the stock. Why? Because it has broken the previous resistance and all of that stuff. We will be looking at A and V as the resistance and support, major resistance and support. This is on a closing basis, by the way. It becomes all the more important. Okay. Now, let me ask you now, if the price is above the height of the A, then we will continue to hold. If the price is below the V, then we will exit. If the price is above A, we will hold. If the price is below V, we will exit. And if it is in between, if we are already holding on to the stock, we will wait for either the price to come down or to go down. Till then, no action. Okay. If it is above, we will continue to hold on to our existing positions. If it is below this, we will exit irrespective of what the thinking is. And if it is in between, if you are still holding, you can still continue on those. Can you now give me your favorite stock that you are probably holding and don't know what to do with that? Give me a one stock name. I'll pick it up. HDFC Life. That was the first one. So now on the daily chart, okay, on the daily chart, this is a very tricky one. Okay, this is a tricky one. What should I, if I am holding on to HDFC Life, Sandeep, answer this question. If I am holding on to HDFC Life, what should I do now? Should I hold? Should I exit? Should I buy more? Okay, cool. I will reserve my comments. No action. I'll reserve my comments for the next stock. I'll pick up the next stock. I'll wait for the next candle is probably the right one. SRTR. I'll take one more easier one. I'll reserve my answer. All of you participate, okay? All of you participate so that you can learn from this. So I'm holding, Sandeep, I'm holding Conquer stocks. I bought about 500 of them when they were 400. Should I hold on to this stock or should I exit this stock? Conquer. I'm already holding. Should I hold on? Should I hold on, Sandeep? All of you hold. Forget the pattern, doesn't matter here. Can you all see the comments? Everybody is saying hold. That's the power. Very good. My big high five to all of you for cracking this. This is super cool, important idea. Okay. Now let me pick up one more. And this time let me pick up my own Yes Bank. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Yes Bank. Now, what do I do with this? I want all of you to tell me for Yes Bank on a daily time frame. Yes Bank. Should I hold? Should I exit? Now I'm already having a stock. Vishwa, you are right, but since I'm already holding, I will rather hold till the previous V is crossed. Till then I will hold on. Okay, after that I'll exit. That's right. Hold till 15. Who's that? Gopal Krishna, you win another 255. I'm losing. Am I losing a lot of money today? Okay. Am I losing more 255? Yes. But is that a good loss? Yes. Which is okay because that's fine. Okay. Gopal, you also reach out to me and we'll help you out. Okay, super. And please don't undermine this 255. Okay, because that's where the problem is. A lot of people after winning they don't reach out to me. Okay, please reach out to me, Gopal. Thank you. Good. So your Gopal also told me that you hold on till it closes below 15 because 15 is where the major thing is. Give me one more stock now. Give me one more stock. RIL, is that Reliance? Reliance is was one of my favorite stock until it started behaving mad. I'm holding on to this stock now. Should I continue to hold on or should I exit? Let's look at some more stocks which I've exited. Give me a minute. SBI, is it on hold or exit? Okay, give me some stock which is in the downtrend. Any stock in the downtrend that you can give me? Hold on. I'm getting a lot of. No, give me one stock which is in the downtrend. Because I know many all the stocks are now on the uptrend. Okay, this is HDFC, by the way. If you are asking me for HDFC, this is the HDFC. So this is another additional this thing, right? Additional insight that I'm giving you now. So if at all you want to buy here, instead of buying on this previous A triangle, you can actually wait for the previous another A. If there are two A's and if you are near the all-time high, wait for the all-time high to break. Okay. Did we learn all-time high already? What is an all-time high? The price that has touched the all-time in its entire this thing. So if the previous A is near the all-time high, wait for the all-time high to break. Was that another cool tip? Type cool in the comment box. Thank you. Okay, now can this be done on weekly? Definitely yes, it can be done on weekly also. In fact, the higher the time frame, the better. Okay, so this Reliance, we got a recent buy about a couple of this back because it broke the previous high and then it is going. DHFL. Happiest minds, is it? Okay, sure. Are you working there, Akshay, by any chance? Okay, DHFL. What do we do with DHFL? Rashmi, Kant Mishra, RM Mishra. What should I do? Exit, sell. Don't be in this. Don't be in this stock. Okay. Where should I sell? As soon as the previous V is broken, my dear friend, just get out. Just run. Exit at 14. Just dial stock, please. Sure. Should we have sold when it broke? That's right, Raman. That's right. Okay, that's right. And you can again buy back when it goes back. Okay. So there are so many names to this. What about Tata Motors? I'll take one Tata Motors and Lupin. Okay. Tata Motors, I think we already looked at it. This is on weekly. I'm currently on weekly. Tata Motors is in a great uptrend. So continue to hold on to this. ITC. So can you all now, how many of you now are powerful enough not to go to any other advisor or for understanding your strategy? Okay. Puneet, you will have to hold on, my dear friend. You will have to hold on. Okay. I did tell you, I hope you understand the questions very clearly. You understand what I'm saying very clearly. Hold on to your questions. Okay, I'll come to this. Super. What is this? Okay, which stock is this? I forgot. Give me one more stock, one last time. Just dial, yeah, sure. Ramu, I'm doing it for you. I'm on Just Dial now. Ramu, you will tell me if I am holding on to the stock, should I hold on? I'm already in the stock now, okay? And I'm not exited. Should I exit it now or should I wait for some more time before it breaks the hold on, right? Very good. Can you also see a big support being here? And if I wait till this support, because sometimes it can actually take the support and go up. Very good. So can you also see how all the technical indicators are already built into this? Okay. Can you also see how all of this is built into this? Your support, the resistance, the hold on to the exits and all of that stuff. Can you all see how everything is slowly and powerfully built into this? Okay. And how do you use this? So there are so many ways to use this. One is you can use this using here. If the resistance is broken, we will sell. That's right, Saju. Okay. If the resistance is broken, we will sell. So allow me to give you a quick module, which is how do you use this? Because that's one of the questions that might be lingering. Is if you already have a stock, you can use this to enter again or exit again. That is the one option. If you are wanting to enter again, you can, or you want to buy for long term or whatever, you can use this technique again. Third is you can build a system on this. How do you build a system on this? I'll add a little bit more risk management. For example, you will buy on the previous resistance break, which is the A break, buy on the previous A break with 2% stop loss and hold on till the trend follows till the previous swing low breaks. Okay, so the use cases are many. I just gave you the skeleton. I just gave you the framework, and this framework alone should give you a lot of confidence, and you don't have to subscribe to any advisors calls. The my idea, so this is one of the idea. The problem, the quick small challenge with advisors, okay, I'm not against anybody, is that we don't get the full picture of the strategy of the money management, how the losses have been, what is the initial risk, is there a trailing stop loss, if yes, how do you manage, does it work on this stock, what time frame, all of that stuff. That is where it is my invitation to you. Here is my invitation to all of you, is to learn this craft yourself. That is the first invitation. Second invitation is to manage your own money yourself. Don't give it to anybody. So much, as much as possible, unless until you know the strategy, you know the algo, you know the technology. Okay, because the pain that you have when you are losing 1 rupee is different when you have given it to somebody else, because your 1 rupee and my rupee is different. Murali might have worked very, very hard to earn that one money. I might not have worked so much. Okay, so that is why I am taking so much of interest, passion in teaching you this. My invitation to all of you is to invest in learning. Okay, invest in learning, invest in doing, invest in learning, be a part of a good tribe, because initially it might look difficult. Okay, what looks messy in the beginning, difficult in the middle, will be awesome in the end. Okay, initially it looks difficult, chart kahan milega, to does this really work, to it worked. That's the journey. Does this really work, to oh it's working but he's doing all drama, to oh that guy was amazing. Okay, so I want you to, this is the invitation, is I want all of you to take this very, very seriously, because we are talking about your hard-earned money. I'm not talking about your anything else. Your hard-earned money. I know how much sweat you are putting in to earn even that 1 rupee, especially in this COVID and all of that stuff. Okay, now what we will do is I will open up for a quick Q&A on everything that we discussed. But before I open up for a Q&A, are you ready for becoming a money magnet? Because tomorrow is the greatest graduation ceremony that we will have. One final time we'll be meeting live. Are you all ready? Type ready in the comment box. The comments are open again. Type ready. If you are ready to become a money magnet, we will open up for Q&A, and then tomorrow we will do the graduation ceremony. Okay, super. So hold on to all your questions. I'll be here till all your questions are answered, but you need to be here. If you log out now and ask me questions later, I might not be able to, no promises on that. But if you are here, I'll promise to be here with you. Okay, super. Get ready and get ready with your, if you are on the video, I want you to follow the instructions very, very clearly. This works even if you don't believe in it. It does not have to be a strong believer of any of this thing. Where you just have to follow, even if it once, right? Even if I install that money magnetism, it's called magnetism, it's called charisma, it's called the aura, it's called the energy. Okay, my idea is to see if I can install that to you in the next 5 to 10 minutes. And all of you who want a quick break, who do not want to participate in this meditation, you can take a quick break and come back. It's absolutely okay. No hard feelings. All right, and people who are ready, get ready, which means you start closing your eyes, keep all your this thing on the side, keep your body straight, because body is everything. I want you to believe in the body, imagine in the mind, and feel it from your heart. That's the mantra. Okay, so keep yourself free and just get yourself comfortable, sit straight. In the next 10 minutes, some of you will become the best money magnets. Okay, the power is within us. Just give me a minute. All right. So take a deep, long breath one more time and exhale completely. Do this one more time. Take a deep, long breath and exhale fully. Now visualize golden color light flowing from around you on top of your head, through your head, healing all the blocks in your entire system. And in this process, you also get completely relaxed, starting from your head, top of your head. Feel the energy flowing. Feel the relaxation happening. Relaxation is flowing to your face. Relaxation is flowing to your neck, shoulder, chest, stomach, entire body, legs, tip of the toes. Feel it. Feel the golden light. Imagine it's flowing through your entire body. With every word that you are listening, the relaxation is doubling. Any sound that you are listening outside, that's also helping you relax more. It can be a vehicle moving outside, it can be a whisper, it can be anything that's helping you double your relaxation. Now your entire body is relaxed. Feel and imagine that your entire body is completely relaxed. In this relaxed state of body, mind, and breath, I want you to visualize that your breath has a supreme magnetic power. Visualize and feel that your breath has a supreme magnetic power. And you are surrounded by a lot of money. Is the money in the form of notes or coin or check? What is it? Can you all see 500 rupee note, 2000 rupee notes, loads of notes, or the checks or the coins surrounding you? Now your breath has a magnetic power. With every inhalation, the money that is surrounding you is coming close to you. With every inhalation, the money is coming close to you. And with every exhalation, the money is standing still and giving itself some rest. Every time you inhale now, and imagine and feel that the money is being coming towards your system. And with exhalation, it is standing. Inhale one more time. Feel and imagine the money is coming towards you. With exhalation, it's stopping. Inhale one more time. Money is coming towards you and you are becoming capable, you are becoming a magnet to money. Your breath actually has that power. So now do this without my instructions. With your inhalation, feel and visualize that the money is coming to you. Do this on your own for 3 incoming breaths and feel the money coming towards you. Feel and visualize. Feel and visualize. Do this on your own. With every inhalation, money, success, abundance, opportunities is coming closer to you. And you are giving time, some time, when you exhale. Do this for one last time with all the power, all the might, by taking all the blessings that you believe. So just do this one last time. Inhale completely and feel the money is being drawn to you, coming to you, walking to you, running to you, jogging to you. And when you exhale, it is accumulating. So be in this wonderful feeling, and we will set the right intention for today's learning. Whatever we have learned, let my body support me, my emotions support me, my entire system support me in learning and implementing and helping me become a better version of myself. Because you become a successful trader first and then you start earning money, contrary to what we have thought, where we earn money first and then become successful trader. So this, you are, by learning these concepts of small loss, big profit, learning the concepts of stop loss, learning the concepts of false super trend, breakouts, okay, you are becoming you are taking those smaller steps to becoming a successful trader, and then you are allowing money to come to you, you're allowing profits come to you by becoming a money magnet. Affirm yourself that you will do in whatever capacity to achieve the financial freedom, to achieve your goals, to look for the right opportunities as and when they come by, and you will grab them with both hands open. And you will make the best use of those opportunities. This wonderful feeling of being a money magnet, being a success magnet, being somebody who attracts success but not chase it. This wonderful, amazing, powerful, happy feeling can slowly and gently, with a wide smile on your face, can come out of this gently and slowly. Thank yourself, thank your family for allowing you to do this, thank your friends, thank everybody who's been able to assist you directly or indirectly to be the money magnet that you were always supposed to be. Come back and type. How did you feel if you are back? How did you feel? Type it in the comment box. How did you feel? Super awesome. Type money magnet. Yes, that's right. Okay, all right. Wonderful, enlightenful, energetic, magnetic, super cool money magnet. All right, thank you. So now what we will do is thank you everybody, and I'll be here. Uh, uh, so the Q&A session starts now. Okay, Puneet or whoever, all of your questions you can start putting them right now. Self hypnosis is good. You're becoming a money magnet. Okay, start putting your questions one by one, and I'll be answering. So we are done with the session for today, and what we will do is I'll be giving you the scanner in the WhatsApp group, and can I ask you to quickly go ahead and share your reviews on one of the this thing? Just give me a minute. Okay, I'll show you all of that stuff. Hold on. I'm looking at your questions, but I'll just show it to you 1 second. Prashant, yes, yesterday's this thing was triggered. Okay, I'm looking at your questions. Just hold on for one couple of minutes. A couple of announcements that I have, even if you're not interested in Q&A, but just a quick announcement. Strategy on Bank Nifty and Nifty. Pradeep, I'm intentionally not getting into the futures and options in detail. The reason is it's a slightly a different thing. We need to learn margin. We need to learn a lot of stuff. That is the reason. Okay, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. RSI tomorrow. I'll be looking at all the RSI tomorrow, and okay, I need a quick favor. If you are able to learn something today, if you are able to form any good habits and all of that stuff, can you go ahead and quickly share your experience in this Facebook link? I've shared a Facebook link. That is one quick this thing. And what I'm also doing is I think I'm planning to stop the morning sessions, but one last time I think I'm doing it for the next month. Okay, if you have any of your friends, you can refer this thing. But I want a quick feedback on the Facebook link that I just shared above. I don't know if you have if you've got the Facebook link, just go ahead and share the Facebook link that you have learned, whatever you have learned. Okay, so I'll come to your questions in a while from now. Okay, first of all, let me address the first question, which is the intraday stock selection. I'll come to that. Chandra, I'll come to your question also. Okay, did you all get the Facebook link and the next week also I'm doing? Can you all see if you can refer your friends or family and all of that stuff? Okay, now let me come back to this. Yeah, definitely. Thank you. Okay, now I'm looking at all your questions. Hold on to your questions. Let me first take. Okay, all of you who want the recordings, right? Write to shankar@profitsystem.in. Okay, if you send WhatsApp message to me, I'm not able to follow that, but write to shankar@profitsystem.in. Some of my team members will be able to address. Is the recording and they will be available only till tomorrow evening. After that, they will be gone. Okay, you need to write to shankar@profitsystem.in. The couple of announcements are see if you can give me a quick good feedback on my Facebook ad. Second one is the next week I'm doing I think one last batch. Monday I have lesser number of people, so if you can help your friends and family to join, so they'll get good attention from me. That's the second notice. Third notice, tomorrow is a important session. I want you to attend it, and many of you have been asking like, sir, I want to learn more from you. Is there an option selling strategy? Is there a all of that stuff strategy? So I will be talking about how you can learn more from me in different courses, but this itself should be more than sufficient. But if you want to learn more, tomorrow is where I'll be opening up for more spots. Please note that the spots that I take for my advanced classes will be very limited because of the this thing. What is that? I don't have more time on my end, so so you need to be ready before when I announce the opportunities. Okay. Balkrishna is asking for the Facebook. Here is the Facebook link. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm stopping the comments and answering all your questions. So first question, let me take this. The first question is, sir, how do I select the stock, sir? Do you also have this question? Okay. The first question is, how do I select the stock? The stock selection is so couple of stock selection criteria, right? One is it falling into your strategy? Yes, or the setup. For example, if you are looking at say inside bar on a daily time frame or whatever, so is it falling into your strategy? Are you getting an inside bar? That is one. Second thing is it part of the is it a liquid stock? Okay, those are some of the foundational concepts, but the advanced concepts for looking at the stock selection is let me share the screen if I'm not sharing it yet. Okay, I'm sharing my screen now. So there is something called pre-open market. Okay, there is something called pre-open. So in the pre-open itself, lot of times there will be a movement on both the upside as well as on the downside. Let me give you one powerful stock selection criteria that you can use for all your intraday strategies. So you need to go to F&O stocks. I'll be sharing this link in the WhatsApp also. If today's session was powerful, I want you to go ahead and share your quick feedback in the Facebook. If today's session or whatever you've been learning, I'll also show you my yesterday's trades, just to give you that little confidence. Not that I'm doing anything special. I just stay longer with my small losses. Okay, I just stay longer with my small losses. Okay, so we are on pre-market now. In the pre-market, what you need to do, you need to look for the stocks like this in the F&O, and you need to sort them based on percentage change. For example, in Bandhan Bank is up in the pre-market yesterday by 1.41, and on the Apollo Tyres was up by 4.3%. So if you can select these stocks, the top two here from the top gainers, top two from the top losers. If the gain is not significant amongst the losers, you can choose top four from this thing itself. And also that is one criteria, top gainers and top losers in the pre-market itself. Another criteria is ensure that the price is more than 100 rupees. If not, the movement can be irrational. Okay, ensure that the price is more than 100 rupees. So which means Idea, JMR, PNB might not come into the stock selection. But what are the stocks that can come into is all your MR, or keep it less than 10,000 and more than 100, like Bajaj Finance, SRF, Maruti, all of that stuff. And also this percentage change, let it be more than 1.8%. Okay, so percentage change is 2%, make it 2%. 2%, more than 2%, that is one criteria. More than 100 and less than 10,000, that's another criteria. If you don't get any stocks in the top gainers and top losers, right, the fallback idea is, can you go back to your value or the quantity and select the stocks, which are the stocks on this particular pre-opening day are giving you more volume. So according to the volume also you can pick up the stocks. So that was one question on how to select the stocks. Okay, all right, anybody on the video? Let me put on the video. Is the stock selection somewhat clear? I'll share the links, I'll share the rules again. Maithili, is the stock selection clear? Pradeep, Dilip, was that helpful? Top gainers, top losers in the pre-open. Sabi, Manvinder, all of you? Okay, let me open some more questions and see. Shishir Patil raised his hand. Super. Okay, let me look at some more questions. Okay, I'm not able to, I'm starting from some of the questions. Money magnet, yeah. Whether super trend works in Nifty and Bank Nifty, it does work, Raman. So super trend strategy that we learned today has no limitation in terms of whether it is 5 minutes or 15 minutes, but it has its own advantage and disadvantage when you go on a shorter time frame. Okay. AB does not give an entry point, Shankar. It's a re-entry or holding on strategy. You're right, Akshay. You can also, but you can definitely use it for entry. So you're wrong that there, Akshay. Okay. M. Srinivas, I am not able to decide whether to buy or sell after entering in Excel sheet in the breakout strategy. Please clarify. Srinivas, what I will do is, let me share some more videos that will really help you so that it becomes very easy. Okay. Only if you are here, I'll be taking you. So whether super trend works in Nifty, we've already taken that. Sujeev is saying, thanks Shankar for installing the 555 AM habit. What about the long-term strategy? This we can apply it for long-term, Chandan. Sir, will we get a recording of the sessions? Yes, if you send an email to Shankar@System, they'll be valid till tomorrow. For Tuesday strategy, want to look into candle. Just hold on, okay? Let me close the room. Just hold on. Yeah, I'm back. So where do we get the AV chart? Swakit is asking, where do you get the AV chart? So AV chart is not a different chart or anything, but it's just another, it's a line chart on which we looked at the AV. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, that's the AV chart for you. Then RSI is coming tomorrow, Nilesh. Powerful strategy is coming up tomorrow. Which chart pattern is used in AV chart? You're using a line chart. What do if OCO option is not working for your broker, for example, Upstocks? Cover order. Are you talking about cover order? Out of syllabus question. Rajesh, what time frame should we choose in AV time frame? You can choose daily and weekly. Rajesh, good question. Can we have any notes for all the strategies? Chandra, tomorrow we will look at all the notes in one and I'll share it with you. Sahil Pruti, where we cannot use super trend. So this false super trend that we learned today, you can use it in most of the time frames, most of the places. It works only when you do it on a larger time frame. I mean, keep on doing it. Manvinder is asking, will it work on options? Definitely it works on options. Does it work on Bank Nifty? Yes, it will be. Nifty and Bank Nifty, does it work? Yes, it does. Can we use super trend in Bank Nifty? Yes, it does. When should I sell in super trend? When on one of this thing that we learned, when it closes the below, when it touches the super trend. What logic? 5 and 1 5, is it 5 days average? Gopal, it just happened like that, but it was not that. That's how it was. Okay, it just happened that it happened to be a 5 and 1.5. It also resonates with your 555 and all of that stuff. Please try to share the document with all the strategies and rules. It will be handy to refer, though we have not noted the same. Sure, BV Shastri, I will do that. Intraday stock selection is already covered. Can we have any notes, Chandra? We have already made a note of that. Where can I do fresh entry using AV technique? Whenever the new A is broken, right? That's your fresh entry. Same questions again. How to sell first? Rama, that's a homework for you. I want you to go ahead and search in Google today. How does the short work? Okay. Venu is asking, have a separate session exclusively for beginners. Sure. Point noted. And Venu, did you go through the beginner videos that I shared much before the event? Looks like you have missed the videos. So if you miss any event, right, you will have tough time. Okay. Other than the trade, thanks for 5 to 5. Thank you. I want to hold for 5 years stock. What I should learn? Uma, good question. But I want to reframe the question. Okay. Let's not have a time target, but have a long-term strategy target. Meaning, you buy on a say monthly time frame. Okay, maybe on the super trend false breakout itself. Let me show you. One second, ma'am. 1 second. 1 second. And here you go. I'm sharing my screen. I'm doing super. I'm just showing you on super trend, but there are other strategies also. So I'm changing it to 5 and 1.5. What does 5 significant? 5 significance balance. Okay, it shows the balance. So I'm just giving you an example, not necessarily this is how it is. For example, let's say I buy on June 2011. Okay, based on this strategy, I buy on June or July, and I exited one here. Again, I bought here, which is again on the 10th month, and then I hold on to this for one full year. When you do this on monthly time frame, you can also do this on monthly time frame. By the way, it is time frame independent. Okay, Uma Devi, ma'am. So you are holding this stock for 2 years. Okay, this is one idea, just to tell you. But there are other strategies. For example, when we look at the very long-term game, right? Long-term game for stocks and portfolio. I will see if I can arrange some special bonus session, not the tomorrow session, but I'll for only investing. That's another. I will see. Okay. Not promise, no guarantees. Please don't keep pinging me. I have already made a note. I'll see if I can arrange one special session only for portfolio and investing. Okay, that's additional bonus session free for all of you because you are already part of my 555 club. So that's where you will learn the building portfolio and all other stuff. Okay, cool. Let me look at some more questions. Intraday stock selection is already covered. Oh, same questions. Jayant Haikaneshi, I could have, but I think we have a lot of time. Need a small synopsis. We will definitely do that. So, sir, I am in traveling today. Can I get the recording? Send an email to shankar@profitsum.in. In trading view, there are many indicators coming near of super trend. Can you please guide which one to use? Ma'am, Vaishali, there is only one super trend. Okay, the setups will change. Okay, from 5 and 1.5, 7, 3, and all of that stuff. Tomorrow we will also be looking at one more setup. Okay, I'm looking at your some more questions. In super trend, if the red candle touches the super trend line, how can we take positions in the high of that? We need to wait for another candle to close above the red candle. No. So color of the candle doesn't matter. Okay. All right. So the current questions are over. I'm opening up for some more questions. Okay. If you have any other questions, please start writing them right now. Okay. Some more questions. I've opened up for some more questions. In AV technique, Sachin, please put the question again. Sun is hitting my face directly. That's the power of waking up early and all other stuff. Okay, I'm now closing this and then I'll address one by one and then open it up again. Okay, Shafiq Ahmad is asking, please tell some other important indicators. Tomorrow I will use RSI and super trend and all other stuff. And what will be the time frame for super trend? Rajendra, it works on all time frames, doesn't have any limitation. Rajkumar, how to square off positional and daily? Daily, you will have to square off at 315 itself. Positional, you can hold on. Okay. That's my son. For the first time, he's also appearing. Okay. Sorry about that. Yeah. So please explain trailing stop loss. Sahil, I will do one thing. Allow me some time. Towards the end, I'll explain the trailing stop loss. It's nothing but trailing your stop loss on the super trend. It's nothing but trailing your stop loss on the super trend. In AV technique, which A and V must be seen in the chart. So if the A formation, okay, if you see an A, that's an A. On top of that, if the price is going, then it is your buy. Okay. Scanner will be shared. Srinivas is asking, I'm not able to decide whether to buy or sell after entering in the Excel sheet. So Srinivas, here is the answer to that. Okay. After you have entered your high and low, if you need to place a buy order in advance for the high levels. Okay. Buy equal to high, sell equal to low. Okay. Can we get sell signals in super trend? Yes, we can do the sell signal also in the super trend. Okay. All right, Shishir, you'll have to be on the side for a minute. Okay, I'm opening up for some more questions. 1 second. All right, are we learning something? Type yes in the comment box if we are learning something. If we are learning something, if this was a great session, if we learned something, some technicals. Okay. All right, thank you. Yeah, we have another 5 minutes. If you have any other questions, let me know. Can you help me set up your Zerodha view of graphs, the setup? Vanith, this is my recommendation. Okay, this is because this can be a lifetime answer to your question. Vanith, it's very simple. What you need to do is you need to reach out to Zerodha, tell them that I need to open an account. Okay, that is one. And I don't have any affiliate links or anything because I want to be focused on only this, no other side businesses. So you check out with them and they will help you with opening the account. After you open the account, go through their tutorials, very powerful tutorials. You can do that yourself, it will really help you. And you don't have, because also these chart patterns, these things keep changing. I'm talking about the broker side. When you're updated, it becomes very easy for you and better start on your own now itself. Was that helpful? Okay, cool. Best strategy for intraday. Thank you. You can use weekly and daily and monthly. Ramesh, I'll share the Excel sheet one more time. Please show us the chart on super trend. It's the same thing. I will not show you. Keshava is saying your son is handsome. Thank you. Sir, you told us that time frame can be 1 week also in AV technique. Then it will not be possible for intraday. No, it will not be. Please explain AV again. Sometimes the chat is disabled. Yes, it is by design, not by default. Okay. Great sessions right from first day. Thank you, Sagar. Please share your quick comment on the Facebook link that I shared. So please give us the light on Bajaj Finance email which I sent yesterday. Can you please write that right now so that I will help you? Puneet, AV exit is simple, yaar. I believe if you are Puneet, based on what comment you were saying yesterday, you know this very well. So I'll not take that question. Okay. AV is the same thing. If it goes below V, that's your exit. So can you please explain the box pattern? Box pattern, when it comes to 1 hour, no, so I'm making that as the pattern, as the box. It can be a bigger box, it can be a smaller box. So let me see if I can show it to you via a small video or whatever. SLM order, there is nothing to show, Vinaya. So it's just that's how you place an SLM order. Okay, let me show you that. So if you go to this buy, you can also buy from here. Okay, if you click on buy, if you write the quantity as say 100 and click on SLM here, click on buy. Okay, that's an SLM order. What is an SL and what is an SLM? I want you to learn that yourself. Okay, so that I can take some other questions. Is that okay? Type okay in the comment box. I want you to do some homework. Neelesh says, Paisa Vasool, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'm looking at your questions. This is a very important question. Sahil, who is my good young brother, okay, is he earned 492 yesterday, but he gave 380 rupees to brokerage. Okay, here is my suggestion, Sahil. See, if you have less than 50,000 rupees, don't do intraday trading. Why? Because then you are not working for yourself, you are working for your broker. So learn, but don't trade until you earn a lot of money through other means, and then start trading it. Recent one. If Varda is asking if there are more V's and A's, how do we select the recent previous one? Prashant is asking, can we have a separate session only on options? Definitely, Prashant. Tomorrow I'll be opening up for my inner circle coaching, where I will tell you about options selling, options buying. But we will see. I am also planning for only options workshop. I need more people. It's very difficult unless until you guys support me. It's very difficult for me to do the program. So I will let you know either email or in the WhatsApp group, and then you can do that. Need to start systematically. It was too fast, a crash course. Yes, Anand, it's definitely a crash course. Thank you. Solution for over trading. Okay, good question. I want all of you to listen to this. There, the over trading is one of the mistake that the experienced traders do, and how do I help you with that? So you will have to go through some kind of a coaching, Abhi. Okay, it's very challenging. I understand what you are saying, because when you are in front of the system, you always feel like doing something. That is one. Second is go through the systematic trading, the one that I've been teaching. Fill your trading plan template, and that is when you can actually get a lot of clarity. Box is valid in intraday also. Yes, it is. Chandan Garai is saying, helped a lot being a beginner. Thanks a lot. So this was slightly advanced for beginners. I completely understand and accept that. Okay, I want to accept that. But I want you to start somewhere, right? I mean, you cannot keep saying that I'm a beginner, I'm a beginner. In my inner circle, I keep telling people, how long will you say that I'm still learning? I want you to start becoming the better version already, which you are. That's how it is. Ah, my God. Super. I have backtested your Tushar as a quick this thing. I have backtested your strategy on Bajaj Finance for the month of January 2021. He found that 40 points is better than 50 points. Very good. Super, Murali. What is the ACS basis, sir? I did not get the question, sir. Subhash Nair. Since we have now lots of strategy, now which one to choose? Subhash, tell me your requirement. You want to do intraday or positional? I'll tell you, help you accordingly. Okay, how do you use scanner and what candle to be seen when you taught the Tuesday breakout strategy? Okay, how to use scanner, right? Okay, hold on. That's true, yeah. Sahil, मेरा बात सुनिए आप. Okay, I know you are very young and you reached out to me saying, sir, I don't have money and all other stuff. So here is my advice as your elder brother. Okay, are you ready to take this, Sahil? Okay, you are very energetic. I like the energy that you come with. But आपको क्या करना है? अभी ट्रेडिंग पे ज्यादा फोकस मत करिए. You need to focus on learning because you have a lot of age on your side. And look at earning from other sources. It can be a job, it can be anything else. But once you have a considerable, sizable amount of money, get into trading. By the time you also have a lot of strategies. Okay, is that a cool tip? Okay, all right. As is basis meaning as soon as the price hits. That's my own term. You will not find it anywhere, Google or anything. Okay, cool folks. I have another 5 minutes. Lots of love. Thank you, buddy. You're amazing. So best people receive best things. Okay, scanner use. Sorry, Sachin. I think I keep using it, missing it. Sachin, 1 second. I'm going there. Just a minute. Just a minute. Priyanka, hold on. Was the what do you call? Was this Q&A session helpful? Was the Q&A session helpful? Super helpful. Type super helpful, my dear friends. And not just that, I want you to, wherever you can, give me a quick 5-star feedback. Go ahead, go on Google, search for Shankar Kulkarni, and you will find me. It was freaking awesome, right? That's right. That's why I love you, my dear friend, because your thinking, your words, although you are currently low on your money, your thinking is already a millionaire thinking. Hold on. I'm opening the charting. Hold on. Just a minute, okay? Imagine if we spend more time, how much, if we learn all other strategies, how the power can be. Okay, with this little thing itself, we are able to learn so much. Just a minute. It's taking a little bit of time. That's the technology, that's the patience. More money is made by waiting. Type waiting in the comment box. More money is made in waiting, in sitting. Okay, that's also an antidote to over trading. More money is made in sitting or waiting. Okay, you need to be ready. It's called the persistent patience, consistent patience, patient consistency. The other word is patient consistency. Just hold on, okay? It's taking a little bit more time. Yeah, open it. Okay, so now this is for Sachin Patak, my good friend Sachin Patak. So let me share my screen. All right, so this is how the scanners look like. Okay, this scanner also I'll be giving it to you for free again. You don't have to pay me anything. So I did, this is on say 7.3. Let me change it to 5.1.1.5. That's the advanced setting that we learned today. This is how you can change it. Five and 1.5. Where are you, man? It's not, somehow it's today is okay. After some time, somehow it gets stuck. Okay, yeah. So now, so this is how you use your scanner. You can change this from Nifty 500 to Nifty 50. So all the from the Nifty 50 stocks, whatever the false breakout have come, I will be able to see them today. For example, Jubilant Life Sciences, right? Jubilant. Now, instead of you manually looking at all the stocks yourself, you can actually see for yourself if on a daily time frame, if on the 5 and 1.5 you have a false breakout. Do we have a false breakout? So the scanner suggested to me that Shankar, go ahead and check Jubilant Life Sciences. You will find the false breakout on 5 and 1.5 and you can trade, or you can take your trade if the hike closes. Like that, you need to look at a couple of more stocks and you need to be trading. Okay, you need to be trading. All right, so one second. Yeah, I will have to close this in next 5 minutes. 1 second. So Priyanka, closing basis is simple. Okay, closing basis, I'll come to that. Another quick invitation before, if you have not done. Okay, if you feel you have learned something today, I want you to go to this link if it opens and quickly give me a 5-star comment, and also on the Google and Facebook, just give me this thing, so it'll really help me. Okay, hold on 1 second. So I'm looking at last questions, and I will close this. What's the best RR ratio? Please share the affirmations. I will do that, Sagar. Please also tell about the mother child scanner. It's already shared. Super trend sell signal. Send the recorded video of breakout Excel sheet. Send an email to shankar@profitsum.in. Next time I'll not even take those questions. 2 paid webinar, more amounts paid but less amounts, and you are good and super. Puneet is saying, I joined 2 paid webinar, more amounts paid but less amounts, and yours good and superb. Thank you, Puneet, means a lot. Sir, we stuck with one stock until it closes, so how to concentrate on more stocks? Good question. Find that out yourself on a lighter note. More money is made in the waiting. Yeah, that's right. I want to refer my friend who has very much little idea on trading. He's a beginner in true sense. Do you plan to hold one such groups? So that is another plan that I have, but I don't know. It's, see, the get into my shoes. I have a lot of challenges in terms of putting all of this together. There is a team, there is people, there is processes. So I definitely want to do, if you are ready to help me, and we can all do it together, 100%. Okay. All right, sir, I have to close this on this note, and we will be talking about tomorrow is going to be the best graduation ceremony. Might not be a lot of this thing, Priyanka. Tomorrow closing basis, I'll explain tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow will be the last session, and please be there on time at 5:55 a.m. One last time, can you all wake up? Type yes in the comment box. That is one. Second, I'll also tell my team to send you a wake up call, and we will see you tomorrow. Thank you, Madhu. Thank you, Adi. Thank you, Mangesh. Thank you, Kumar. Well, bye bye.